The Ethiopian Educational Media Agency presents English for Grade 8. This is Program 16. Lesson topic, The Plants We Eat. Produced by Srafel Zode.
Hello, teacher. Hello, students. Students, today, Azeb and Tola are at the Ministry of Agriculture. They are talking with an expert there. Listen to them.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Have seats, please.
Thank you.
Sir, my name is Azeb.
And I'm Tola. We're students in grade 8.
Oh, good. And I'm Taye.
Okay, Ato Taye. Would you please tell us about the plants we eat?
Of course. You know, there are about 300,000 different types of plants in the world.
300,000?
Yes.
Do we eat all?
Oh, no. Only about 30,000 are known to be edible by humans.
Edible? You mean can be eaten?
Yeah. About 30,000 kinds of plants could be eaten by people. But we mostly eat the plants which grow easily where we live.
Yeah.
And you know, there are 4 plants which people eat most.
4 plants?
Yes.
What are they?
The 4 plants which people eat most are potatoes, rice, wheat, and maize.
Potatoes, rice,
Wheat and maize.
Students, have you listened to the conversation? All right. Now I'm going to ask you some questions, and then you tell your answers to your teacher after listening to the conversation again. Now, listen to the questions first. Question number 1. How many kinds of plant are there in the world? How many kinds of plant are there in the world? Question number 2. How many plants are known to be edible? How many plants are known to be edible? Question number 3. Name the 4 plants which people eat most. Name the 4 plants which people eat most. Students, now listen again to the conversation and answer the questions later. Now, listen again.
Okay, Ato Taye. Would you please tell us about the plants we eat?
Of course. You know, there are about 300,000 different types of plant in the world.
300,000?
Yes.
Do we eat all?
Oh, no. Only about 30,000 are known to be edible by humans.
Edible? You mean can be eaten?
Yeah. About 30,000 kinds of plants could be eaten by people. But we mostly eat the plants which grow easily where we live.
Yeah.
And you know, there are 4 plants which people eat most.
4 plants?
Yes.
What are they?
The 4 plants which people eat most are potatoes, rice, wheat, and maize.
Potatoes, rice,
Wheat and maize.
Students, now tell your answers to your teacher. Teacher, please encourage your students to answer. You'll have 15 seconds after each question. Now, question number 1. How many kinds of plant are there in the world? How many kinds of plant are there in the world? Students, did you say about 300,000 kinds of plant? All right. Now, question number 2. How many plants are known to be edible? How many plants are known to be edible? Students, I hope you've said 30,000 plants are known to be edible. Good. Now question number 3. Name the 4 plants which people eat most. The 4 plants which people eat most. All right. The 4 plants which people eat most are potatoes, rice, wheat, and maize. Good. Students, do you know other plants which are edible? All right. Now tell your teacher. Teacher, please ask your students one by one to tell you the name of edible plants they know. You have about 1 minute. Thank you, teacher. Come in, please. Oh, hello, Tola and Azeb.
Hello, Hailu.
I think you are coming from the Ministry of Agriculture.
Yes, and we met our friends while we were coming here.
Really?
Yes, we met Hannah, Abdu, and Lemma.
And we asked them to play with us.
So what did they say?
Hannah said, "I'm tired."
Tola, what did Hannah say?
Hannah said that she was tired.
Did she? All right. Students, now listen to Tola and Azeb. Azeb is telling me what Hannah, Abdu, and Lemma said to them. And Tola is reporting what they said. Now listen.
Abdu said, "I can't play."
Tola, what did Abdu say?
Abdu said that he couldn't play.
Azeb, tell me again.
Okay, Abdu said, "I can't play."
Students, say, Abdu said, "I can't play." Students, say again. Abdu said, "I can't play."
Yes, Abdu said that he couldn't play.
Students, now say, Abdu said that he couldn't play. Students, say again. Abdu said that he couldn't play. Azeb, how about Lemma?
Lemma said, "I have to go home."
Students, Lemma said that Tola, Lemma said that
Lemma said that he had to go home.
Students, Lemma said that Yes, Lemma said that he had to go home.
Then Hannah said, I want to drink tea.
Yes, Hannah said that she wanted to drink tea.
All right. Students, now listen to Tola and Azeb again. They are reporting what their friend said. Tola and Azeb. Now, when I tell you what your friend said, you report their speech.
Okay.
First, Azeb. Hannah said, I am tired.
Hannah said that she was tired.
Now, Tola. Abdu said, I can't play.
Abdu said that he couldn't play.
Good. Now, Azeb. Lemma said, I have to go home.
Lemma said that he had to go home.
Right. Now, Tola. Hannah said, I want to drink tea.
Hannah said that she wanted to drink tea.
Very good, Tola and Azeb. Students, now do in the same way. When your teacher gives you others' direct speech, report what they said. Teacher, please ask your students one by one to report when you tell them others' direct speeches. For example, you say,
Abebe said, I'm busy.
Then your students should say,
Abebe said that he was busy.
do the activity with as many students as you have time for. You have about 2 minutes. Thank you, teacher. Tola and Azeb, I think it's time to go.
Yes, it's time to go.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.
You've been listening to English for Grade 8, Program 16, written and produced by Surafel Zode. Join us again next week in Program 17. Till then, goodbye everyone. Goodbye.